Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the white spoonbill bird in Heartopia Call of Whales event. So guys, this is one of the birds from the Call of Whales event in Heartopia. And if you want to find this bird, you're going to go to this area, the Onsen Mountain area, and you're going to prepare your bird scanner, and you will find the white spoonbill right here. Okay, I've just captured the white spoonbill with my bird scanner, and I'm going to capture it one more time. Okay, done. And I'm going to show you guys the location on the map. You just need to go to the Onsen Mountain area and go to this lake. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Okay, right here, the Onsen Mountain Lake. And let me open up my bird watching diary. Okay, this is how the white spoonbill looks like, and you can catch it in any weather. And okay guys, that's how you can find the white spoonbill bird in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.